Today, we're shopping at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to share with you the top new products you need to be picking up that are better than retail. Of course, my favorite thing at Dollar Tree is their seasonal decor, and they always have new out. Coming into my store, they have this whole sunflower line of dinnerware. And in July at Dollar Tree is when we start to see the first signs of fall decor that Dollar Tree puts out, and you usually see it with their fall stems. Check these out. I love the look of these eucalyptus stems and all these gorgeous fall colors. They're very natural and have two tones on the leaves. I think we're gonna pick up all of these stems. I just spotted more fall florals. I know it's July and you don't want to pick them up this time of year, but you have so much selection now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the ones that I like. The Crafter Square always has new craft items. This is a new item I haven't seen before. These are called iron-on sheets and they come in so many different patterns. Wouldn't these be fun in our crafts? These wood slices are definitely some of my new favorite items they have out here. They have so many wood items here in this section, but I have found so many uses for these.
The wood slices are great for creating wall art. Just add some of your favorite succulents and hang them on the wall with command strips.
Don't skip the hardware section here at Dollar Tree. Last time I was here, I found this new angle square, and you guys are gonna see this in so many DIY videos because this works great. It's $1.25. It's perfect for getting nice straight cuts. I was just using this to cut up some coffee bags that I found at the thrift store. My Dollar Tree just came out with a ton of new organization items. Now the new colors, you guys, are gonna be this gray color. You also have a coral and then this blue color. They've had this in years past. So some of the new items you wanna be on the lookout for are these trash cans. How great are these? These would be great for a tabletop or just a really small trash can. These 2-pack of buckets make great car trash cans. You can get them in gray. They also come in blue and this coral color. Another new container I found are these. Now these are all $1.25, you guys, and you can get them in all 3 of those colors. You can also get these large trays. These are great in our DIYs. All the way up top, you have those woven containers as well as the containers with handles that are great for outdoor toys. This is one of the best bathroom containers here at Dollar Tree, but it's really hard to find. So if you see it, pick it up. This is great for Q-tips, cotton pads in your bathroom. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. This time of year, Dollar Tree has so many toys out to keep the kiddos entertained for summer, and they're usually at the front of your store. There's so many different types of bubbles you can pick up. I also found these cute little bubble toys. The last time I was at Dollar Tree, I picked up a set of these water balloons. They're $3. They're really easy to fill up, and my kids had so much fun with these. Don't spend a lot of money on your party supplies. You can get them so affordably here at Dollar Tree. 24 plates for $1.25. And if you're worried that they're boring and they're all plain, a lot of times Dollar Tree has fun napkins so you can get a variety and make your party really fun. Dollar Tree used to just carry these type of candle numbers, but now they have these cute ones with the sparkles. You can get them in silver, and then they also come in gold. Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game with their tissue paper over in the party supply section. These are so fun. And of course, nobody can beat Dollar Tree's prices when it comes to their party bags. These are a few new ones that I found. Dollar Tree is stepping up their game in the office supply section. They're now carrying name brand Sharpies. They have their scented brooms back in the floral section. These are pumpkin spice. Dollar Tree has some great deals on their foam. I've used them in a ton of DIYs. These floral foam balls come in a bunch of different sizes and they're great for crafts.
An easy craft you can do with foam balls is to wrap them with nautical rope. You want to wrap the nautical rope around on one side, cut it off, and then wrap it going the other direction. These are great when you have 2 different sizes in a grouping. Don't forget about the foam wreaths. Grab a collection of these and hot glue them together. This makes such a cool and trendy vase. I sprayed mine with a beige spray paint, added in some texture spray, and then some Dollar Tree florals. Don't forget about wall art. You can cut down these foam balls to create interesting wall art pieces on Dollar Tree canvas. To paint these, I find it best to add a little bit of baking soda to your paint. Make sure you paint that subscribe button. If you're watching me on your phone, the subscribe button is right next to my channel name. Click the red subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. You can also click the notification bell so you can see more videos like my Dollar Tree DIYs, home hacks, and room makeovers. The amount of DIYs you can do with this clear vase are endless. I've been using this vase for years now, you guys. I have so many DIYs. First and foremost, they make great floral vases. Add a little bit of the peel and stick Dollar Tree wallpaper and it completely changes the look of a vase. You can also use these vases for organization in your craft room. Add a few Dollar Tree rocks and you can use it to store your paintbrushes. You can also use items from Dollar Tree like their bamboo skewers, wrap those around with some E6000. Once it dries, you have a really cool decorative vase. A really unique idea you can do with this vase is to add on some pearl stickers from Dollar Tree, and you can create any pattern that you want and then spray it all one color. I chose this matte black color, but I feel like this vase looks really high end. If you love shopping with me at Dollar Tree, consider following me over on Instagram because I post behind the scenes of my shopping trips. My handle over there is Liz Fenwick DIY. Last time I was shopping at Dollar Tree, they had out this really pretty new wallpaper. It's already out at my store, but make sure you come by this peel and stick wallpaper section because Dollar Tree keeps putting out new ones. This was one that I picked up last time as well. In the craft section for Dollar Tree Plus, I'm always finding new canvas or wood pieces that I can paint with, but one of my favorite new finds, you guys, here at Dollar Tree are their paint pour paints. These are awesome. I think I've picked them up in almost every color. They're $3. If you're gonna be doing any sort of paint pour projects, these work great. Whenever I'm using these paints, I like to mix them with a paint pouring medium. It helps the paints to last a little bit longer, but you can create all kinds of things with your vases and canvases. The thing I love about paint pour is every time you do it, it turns out a little bit different. If you're going on a trip, Dollar Tree sells name brand toiletry items now. This is great. I love to keep one of these in my purse. I love spray hand sanitizer. These are perfect to put in your purse or backpack. You can get 2 different styles of spray. They also have a travel size charcoal toothpaste. These large size of Germex containers are new. Look how much you get for $1.25. These antibacterial wipes are such a good deal. They also have no parabens and no sulfates. I just came down the beauty aisle and they have even more travel items over here. I wanted to show you a few of my favorite items here in the kitchen utensils section. These, you guys, reusable sandwich bags. Oh, I hope they're BPA free. Yep, BPA free. They're like 8 by 8. You get 2 in a pack. How awesome are these? These are always really expensive online. This is the time of year to pick up these bamboo skewers. They're only out in the summer and they're great for crafts all year round. They're always adding new items in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and especially their organization items. They have several large organization products that you can choose from. So if you're gonna be organizing your space soon, make sure you check the Dollar Tree aisles. Let me know which items you're gonna be picking up at Dollar Tree, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.